to reset check engine light. There are only 3 ways to go about resetting the check engine light without disconnecting the battery.
What?
Here is how to reset check engine light through below discussed techniques by keeping the battery in place. Keep driving and let it go off by itself. If you have fixed the internal problem of the car that had caused the check engine light to turn on, simply ignore the lighting and keep driving. But before that, make sure that the issue has been resolved completely. After covering a certain distance, the car engine computer would automatically recheck the cause of illumination. With any luck, the reassessment would turn off the light. You can try this method for 3 days. If the check engine light remains turned on for more than 3 days of normal driving, consider switching to other methods. Turn the car ignition on and off 3 times. Another way to reset check engine light without tapping into effort-requiring techniques is restarting the car 3 times. Put the key in the ignition, turn it on and then off. The very next second, repeat the process. Repeat once more to complete 3 times in a row. Put the key again the 4th time and start the car. Drive for a while to see if the light turns off or not. This method proves effective in most cases. Restarting the fuse of the car, not applicable for new cars. You can try pulling off the fuse of the engine control unit found in the car fuse box. This will break the connection of the check engine light with the ECU, engine control unit. Put the fuse back again after a minute and check whether the light turns on or not. The 3 methods to reset check engine light require no tool and no hard work. However, if these 3 methods don't work, then you may try the following methods. Disconnect the car battery. One way to fix or reset check engine light is by disconnecting the battery. This method is also referred to as ECM hard test technique. Follow the given steps only if you know how to easily disconnect and reconnect the battery. Otherwise, it is best to seek professional help. Open the hood of the car and locate the battery. Remove both the positive and negative cables from the battery terminals. Press the horn for 30 seconds or switch on the car's lights if you wish to avoid the noise. This will drain all the electricity from the car's capacitor. You can do both to drain it faster. Wait for 15 minutes maximum. Reconnect the cables back to their terminals. This method removes all error codes and resets other electronic devices. If the check engine light is still on, it's best to seek professional help. OBD, onboard diagnostic scanner, can be used to reset check engine light. The OBD scanner can be used on all car models manufactured post 1996. Here is how to turn off check engine light using OBD scanner. Plug the OBD reader in the port underneath the steering column. Turn the key on in your vehicle to turn on the dash lights. Once the dash lights come on, turn off the radio and other electronic parts. Press red on the OBD scanner and it will show an error code. Press erase or clear. Wait until you see a no codes message on the scanner. Unplug the OBD reader and turn off the vehicle. Check the engine light after restarting the vehicle a few minutes later. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more car maintenance tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and if you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. See you in the next video.